Some of the best pages on the internet are not created by accident. So if you don't know anything about landing page conversion optimization rates, now is your time to learn, because it's some crazy stuff and it can make all the difference to your affiliate marketing business and ultimately your bottom line. So let's head over to the computer. Let's find out how all this stuff works, and I'll show you some cool examples too. What is going on, guys? It's Paul Motley here yet again with another video for you. So if it's your first time being on the channel, please drop a subscribe and hit that notification bell to make sure you don't miss out on future videos. But let's talk about landing page optimization. Let's talk about landing page conversion rate optimization. It is not a sexy title, I get that, but later on in the video I'm going to show you some of my very favorite optimization tips, so make sure that you stick around for that. But I want to share with you exactly why it's important in the first place. Now, as an affiliate marketer, if you are sending traffic to an offer, you want to know, if you can, what the conversion rates are on that offer to begin with. Now, I'm going to share with you a book by Russell Brunson. Now, inside one of the books, it does actually show you the conversion rates, so you've got something to work from. And the conversion rates are actually based on the sales of this book, .com Secrets by Russell Brunson, which is something which got me into this entire business in the first place. So if you don't own this book yet, I will drop a link in the description so you can go ahead and get it. It is an affiliate link, of course. Why not make some money while I'm producing these videos? And of course, inside of the Traffic Secrets book, which is another book there, Russell does explain that you get a 13% sales rate on his conversion pages, right? So he's actually getting 13% of people which go to the sales page purchase it, right? So if you've looked at any of my videos before, you will see this here, which shows you the traffic from you. You're going to send it to an opt-in page before people get to the product, go ahead and purchase, you make a commission, right? So that's cool. What does that look like when we actually put it into the model that we already know as far as conversion rates, and how much money you can potentially make by making a better landing page and optimizing the conversion rates on it? Okay, so what I've done is I kind of squeezed in this section here, right? So if you imagine that bit there, you've got 1,000 clicks from your traffic going to Russell's sales page, yes, but it has to get past this first, right? So if you've only got a 20% conversion rate on your opt-ins, only 200 people are going to actually see this sales page, and therefore if it runs off his numbers, you should be averaging around $980, because his average cart value, because of the upsells that he's got in his funnel, are going to generate extra income. Okay, now I'm taking this figures directly from the Traffic Secrets book. If you don't own that, by all means go and get it, but it is right there to show you exactly what he's making from the sales. Right now, it is worth noting you do only get a 40% commission on these. So of course this is telling you the values of it, so don't get too excited. You're not going to become a millionaire overnight, but it's worth also noting that having those conversion rates optimized will make you more money. And a simple example is, if you can get your conversion rate on your opt-in page up to 30%, you're aiming for sales of about 1470, which is decent. And of course you can get it right up to 40%, then you should be looking around 1760, which isn't a bad shake. Okay, right, so even based on 40% commissions, that's going to work out at, that's where I stop for a calculator. Oh, a cool $700. Excellent. So if you can get that optimization up, it can make all the difference to you. So let me show you a couple of pages where we can have a look at the optimization that's already there. And I'm also going to share with you a couple of secrets from this book. 101 Split Test Winners, another book by Russell Brunson, which again, you can get the link from there in the description on this. And I'm going to share with you some of the really cool things that you can do to your opt-in page right now to make sure that you convert even better. So I thought it'd be really fun if we actually looked at the sales page for the Traffic Secrets book in the first place and see just how well Russell's putting this thing together. Right, so as you can see here, video playing, ready to go, you click the button and you get that. All these headlines up here, which is pretty much based on the emotional side of selling, which is super cool. Right, but one of the things that I really wanted to tap into was right down towards the bottom. And if you don't have this yet, you need to get it, which are testimonials, right? You can instantly instantly increase your conversion rates on your opt-in pages if you have testimonials from people that have already worked with you. And I'm not talking about the product, I'm talking about working with you, because ultimately you want them to opt in on your bridge page to work with you to get the product to solve their problem, right? So that's the mindset I want to get yourself into. They find getting like opt-in pages, get this to get that type of thing, or you can get a freebie, blah, blah, blah. Give yourself some credit, give yourself some value, and make sure you have those testimonials in place to make sure that you can convert even better on your own opt-in pages. The second one that I want to look at here as well is something to do with YouTube, and they've been really clever. They've actually picked out the YouTube colors on this. So how would I create a split test on an opt-in page which was using this? Well, it's a simple one. I would simply have this button change color. I would start off with, yes, have the red of YouTube on the opt-in page itself. Make sure it's congruent with the offer page as well, using the same sort of language, same sort of headlines, same sort of fonts as well. But if I was to create an opt-in page for this offer in particular as an affiliate, the first thing that I would do is change this button color, and I would change it from a red, because a lot of times people think red is stop. I would change it from red to green, which is go. And that's one of the things that I would test out. Okay, so if you've set up your split tests, then what should you do next? Well, you need to make sure you're driving traffic. Now, it's not worth doing split tests and doing a bunch of changes on one page compared to the control. You just change one thing. Now, as a general rule of thumb, you want to have between 300 and 500 visitors to the pages to measure the results properly, because time can change, the days can change, the time of the year can change, and all that good stuff, right? So to really have a solid idea of whether or not that split test is actually got enough data, make sure you are running enough traffic to it. And of course, you always want to be split testing. It's impossible to increase the business if you are not split testing and optimizing that page to make sure that you're getting the best results and ultimately the best sales, which gives you the best income. So I wholly recommend getting this book here. Now, it's not actually generally for sale for a lot of people as an affiliate, but I do have a secret link for you. So if you check in the description of the video, you're going to be able to find out where you can get this, and you'll never have to run out of split test ideas again, because there's 108 of them, right? So imagine if you're sending 200 to 300 pages, or 200 to 300 people to each of the split test pages, and you've got 108 split tests you can run, I'm guessing it's going to take a long time before you run out of ideas. So if you like this video, please make sure you drop a like on it, a comment if something that you're interested with on a split test. Maybe you already have a bridge page and want me to check it out. By all means, drop that link in there and I'll reply with a couple of ideas for you. So again, like I said, if you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any other. And I've also put some cool videos around here which YouTube has decided that it's good watch for you based on your channel and my channel and everyone else's channel, right? So I will catch up with you guys real soon and enjoy this video.